Have you been wondering how to use cilantro essential oil? Well, stick around because in this video, I'm going to wow you with some of cilantro's health benefits. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburg, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit the subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link. Did you know that all parts of the cilantro plant are edible? The cilantro leaves and seeds of the plant are known as coriander and are often used as spices in Latin American, Asian, and even American cuisine, while the coriander root is used in Thai dishes. The cilantro herb is considered a champion in the kitchens around the world because it enhances the taste and flavor of your favorite dishes, but as an essential oil, it has even more uses and benefits to admire. Cilantro essential oil is the perfect substitute for dried or fresh cilantro and is used to flavor meats, salads, and dips. But wait, there are so many more ways you can use cilantro. The cleansing properties of cilantro essential oil can help with the maintenance of your cuticles and fingernails. Simply apply 1 drop of cilantro oil to your fingernails and toenails daily or after showering to keep them looking healthy and clean. Give your skin the royal treatment by adding 1 drop of cilantro oil to your favorite hand and body lotions to help soothe and moisturize your skin, leaving behind an invigorating sweet aroma. Practice good oral hygiene by adding 1 drop of cilantro essential oil to your daily mouth rinse for a cleansing boost and to freshen your breath. Keep your home or office space smelling fresh by adding 2 drops of cilantro essential oil to the diffuser of your choice and enjoy the refreshing sweet herbal aroma, or combine with your favorite citrus oil blend for an energizing herbal citrus twist. Now here's the kicker. Cilantro can help support weight loss, especially fat loss. Take 2 to 3 drops in a veggie capsule once a day and you'll see great results. You can use cilantro essential oil all the ways, aromatically, topically, and internally. It's all part of taking control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.